ROV confirms the anomaly at 150 meters, Sector 4. Scan data is clean, no obstructions on the path. Good. The site is fragile, no direct contact. Agreed. Safety first. Let's review the extraction.
The statue is right here. Position is locked.
Good. The debris field is denser on this side.
We should map a path around it.
Agreed. Rerouting now.
Path looks clear.
Storm's closing in fast. We need to finish marking this site. Copy that. Buoy deployed. Move to the next position. Keep checking the radar. No delays. Understood. Safety first. Magnificent! Securing the base brace, no movement.
Copy that. Mid brace is stable.
Upper brace locked in, checking for gaps.
All clear. No loose fragments.
Good. Let's monitor it. Inserting filler now. Steady pressure. Good flow. Ready for the next. Second one. Almost there. Team, let's begin the handover. Condition report on the statue. Material analysis is stable. We can proceed with cleaning. Structural integrity is confirmed. Ready for detail work. Daily logs confirm the sacred origin batches.
Good. We must honor that in our process. The expert consultations align perfectly.
Then we proceed with these guidelines.
Initiating humidity cycle 3, exposing the component to check for weaknesses. Humidity at 85%, monitoring for material stress. Cycle complete, no visible weaknesses, proceeding to cycle 4.
Base is secure, apply the first weight. Weight placed, no shift. Good, add the next one. Second weight on, structure is stable. Final checks. Looks solid.